Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to a full guide on Binance Earn. In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Earn, a fantastic platform that lets your crypto work for you. It's a dedicated section within Binance designed to help you earn passive income from your digital assets. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced holder, Binance Earn provides diverse opportunities to grow your portfolio with minimal effort. You can select products that align with your personal financial goals and comfort with risk. Binance Earn features a wide array of products. Flexible savings let you deposit and withdraw funds at any time, earning daily interest. For potentially higher returns, locked savings require you to commit your crypto for a set duration, often for 15, 30, or 90 days. Staking involves locking up your assets to support a blockchain network, earning rewards in return. Additionally, advanced earn options, such as dual investment, provide opportunities for even greater yields, though they come with higher associated risks. Getting started with Binance Earn is straightforward. First, log into your Binance account and find the Earn section. Next, browse the available products and choose the one that suits you, along with the cryptocurrency you want to use. For example, you might select flexible savings for Bitcoin. Then, simply enter the amount you wish to deposit, review the details, and confirm your subscription. Your earnings will typically begin accumulating the next day, and you can track everything from your Earn wallet. While Binance Earn offers great opportunities, it's crucial to understand the risks. Cryptocurrency values can be volatile, impacting your overall returns. Locked products carry liquidity risk, meaning you might incur penalties or forfeit interest if you redeem early. Always conduct your own research on each product and never invest more than you are comfortable losing. For convenience, consider enabling the auto-subscribe feature to automatically reinvest your idle funds into flexible savings, maximizing your passive income over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.